So, we're off to the Calne Bike Meet of 2025, Europe's biggest bike meet. There will be several thousand bikers here today, taking over the town. Happens every year. I think it's the 25th year this year, so we're really not doing it. This way, yep, Calne, there we go. Christ, all these houses are new around here. Wow. I remember when all this was just fields. Bloody hell, that's changed. Yeah, I expect just about anybody who's got a motorbike will be up here today. Be very surprised if they're in a really good turnout. The weather's not too bad, it's not raining, a little overcast, so it's not too hot, which is nice. Oh, turn that off. They love their roundabouts around here, don't they? The water meadow. Always nice. Oh, walk of shame, probably. This is like the Wiltshire bypass at the minute, and we're going across country a little bit. Glad I cleaned my eyes this morning with a dirty cloth, that was a good idea. Sat the freezer to wash it. Hang on, gonna pull out on me, are you? Fuck's sake. There you go. These are all new as well. Bloody hell. It's been ages since I've come this way. Years even. Twisty. Not unless you change the fucking road as well these days. That's quite nice. Oh, lovely. A lot of learners out early this morning. Watch these country roads these days, this time of year I should say. Tractors coming out of absolutely every orifice. This should meet up up with the Devizes Road in the end, I believe, if I can remember. Drone in the backpack, ready to go. Hopefully we'll be able to pop that up and get some footage. Ooh, squeeze me. Farm shot, wow. Keen on these right now, aren't they? Right, so take a right here, and this drops us right down in the Calne then. Be interesting to see what the roads are going to be like. How many people are here already? Starts at 10, it's now 8:58. I reckon I'd be there at 9:15, so I'm not far off. I think I might make that. So yeah, see if I can get parked on the high street, get a good spot down there, and then be able to get out easy enough later on. I was going to go with some of the group from Wiltshire, but they weren't leaving till 10:15, and to be honest, by the time they get there via their little route, they're running up round Devizes this way. I don't expect they'll be there much before fucking 10:30, 11:15. I'll probably be looking to get away shortly after that. Things to do, people to see, but we'll have a look. Good old Dan's up here doing the photographs. So Daniel Holt Photography, go and look him up. He's on all the usual suspects. Tighten up in the second half of that. We don't really want to be going too quick right now. Thought he might turn off on this junction. Sculpture Gallery and Gardens. This is a all new road, new tarmac. Look at that, that'll be straight. Oh well, I'll be rude not to, wouldn't it? On road. Thank you, Mr. Farmer. Ooh, that's some good shit. Ooh, not as good as Somerset, but I'll take it. It smells nice. Not everyone's cup of tea. Milk sheds. They're popping up all over the shop, aren't they, the milk sheds? They're okay. I find them a bit strong these days, actually, after so long of doing them fucking semi-skimmed. Twisties! Now these are a bit twistier. Probably don't want to ram it around these too quick. Second one's a lot harder. Nice big telegraph pole there waiting to see it. Still getting used to the weight of this CB1000R. It's quite a bulky machine actually. Coming from the Harley, it was a lot of low down weight in it on them things. You can grab the top of the bloody bars and swing around quite happily. But this thing's a bit more heavy at the top, I would say, really, just under the seat. So hopefully get some breakfast up here as well, or second breakfast I suppose it is. This is the way I've always come into Calne. Drops you straight down into what I call the high street, but I guess it's not. Curzon Street it comes into. Oh, look at that. That's the place to be if you want to take some pictures, isn't it? Morning, buddy. That's what we want to be in there, right in the back of that lot. Mornings! All right, pal? Oh mate, oh where we go? If I can get to in here. Oh, hello. Mornings. No, no. Done! Fuck it. Ugh. Ugh. Not too heavy, it's alright. Come here, you beast. Ugh. Fuck it. Ugh. That's parked.
Monday morning hit me harder than before. These walls keep closing, can't take it anymore. Been working double shifts just to stay afloat. When you called and said let's ride, hit the open road. They call it running away, I call it healing today. Two wheels spinning free, will therapy, will therapy. Oh, 6 packs lined up,